Hey guys, this is Redmi K20. These are the key specs. This comes with Snapdragon 730 and AMOLED screen. And this is the Indian retail unit of the Redmi K20. So this is the box. Opening up the box. Open. Come on, baby. So some basic paperwork. The SIM ejection tool and the paperwork. And this is the device itself. Comes with pre-installed back cover. The back is a glass Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and this is the 18-watt fast charger. Charges the device in around 1 hour and 40 minutes. And this is the USB Type-C data cable. So yes. And powering on Redmi by Xiaomi. Yes. Powered by Android. It also comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner which works like 8 out of 10 times, and it also comes with face unlock. And this is the Poco launcher which comes by default, and I've enabled dark mode. It comes with MIUI 10 and Android version 9, which is now upgradable to Android 10. Yes, the Poco launcher comes with dual SIM slot, and there is no hybrid slot, and comes with 48 megapixel triple rear cameras with dual LED flash. And these are the camera modes of the default MIUI camera app. You can get the G cam for other good quality photos. These are the modes. There is also a pro mode. This is the front 20 megapixel pop-up selfie. There is a notification LED, and this is the side power button and USB type C, the speaker grill. This is my favorite feature, the full screen gestures. And if you do like the video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.